Hello, and on today we will be taking a look at Salty in the new Trackmaster Revolution Trackmaster 2 version. Okay, it comes with a Brendan Bay shipping cargo box car, and this is the first release of Salty in this version, with the exception of he was released before then in a crash and repair version. So here's the crash and repair Salty Trackmaster 2 with the, you can tell by the wheels, of course. And we're going to be comparing this Salty to the uncrashed repair. This is to be the uncrash and repair version, and see the differences, see if they cut any corners, or if they simply just made them look like this in the like the crash and repair without the crash and repair stuff on it. Okay, and we'll take a quick look at it and compare it to the original Trackmaster version of Salty to see size wise and lengthwise the comparison. Okay, all right, so without further ado, we will unbox this guy. He is in a new series that came out, but it looks like all of these are re-releases of the original, of the Trackmaster 2 versions, which you have already seen. Okay, but he comes in this assortment. No other new characters that have not been released are showing in this assortment. So why they chose to put Salty out at this time, I don't know, but we like Salty, so let's unbox him really quick and see what's going on. All right, there he is. Okay, Brendan Bay box car. So that's kind of cool, with detail on both sides, which is always welcome. All right, so here is Salty. All right, there he is, looking kind of husky, should we say. So long gone are the slender days of the original Trackmaster, which is above. Below you see how fat, man, that's really a real big difference. All right, and with the crash and repair version, wow, he's much bigger than that as well. I wonder why. Wonder why. Okay, but he's really, this guy is really fat. Okay, he is really fat. You can tell he got a much stockier build on the new one. There's his face, which looks like the CGI face a whole lot, which is, I guess that's kind of cooler. But he's got a little bit of molding on these buffers, but they are pretty much painted in. And this is pretty much, you know, there's this hook, but that is just painted on, as you can see. So there is you know, he is bigger, he is wider, he is more boxier than I have seen him in any version prior. So sidewise, in terms of detail, that's his comparison compared to the crash and repair version. And on the back, he's got more detail. He's got a lamp, which is good. He's kind of got a molding. See what they can do with that. Does have buffers, but like I said, they're molded, kind of raised a little, molded on. So there. But he's definitely looks different, or he definitely is trying to look more, I guess, like the CGI version of him, but with the fact that he has been imploded. Kind of big. lot bigger than he has been depicted in the past. So, but that's Salty. We will get him on the track and see how he responds to see how Porter and Cranky are gonna welcome in their new friend. Okay. All right. So this will be the Trackmaster 2 version going forward. What he will look like and how he will be depicted from here on. Okay. Tell us what you think, and we'll let you see him in action. Alright. And we got some other new engines too. So we'll show you, well, you let us know which ones you want to see next, okay? After this, I'll show you guys what we got coming up next, okay? Thanks. And thanks for watching.
Can see much farther than any engine. Let's get to work.
Ahoy there, me hearties. I'm Salty, the dockside diesel. I love to tell me stories of the sea. Ha 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 ha.